Hello everybody, this is Anand and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how much money I have made on TikTok with over 100,000 followers. So, if you want to get started on TikTok, if you want to start your TikTok journey, this is how much money you can expect to make with this many followers. A lot of people are saying that TikTok is the next big thing. It is going to be the next YouTube, the next Facebook, where people make a ton of money. But so far, not a lot of people have made a lot of money. So in today's video, I'll be showing exactly how much money I made, what kind of views I'm getting, all that stuff. But before we get started, make sure you hit the like on this video. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And now let's get started. I'll pull up my TikTok account right here. Alright, now that you can see that we are inside of my TikTok account, I have just over 100,000 followers and I have over 680,000 likes. Also, I'm following 159 people. But as you can see, first thing I'm doing on my TikTok is shouting out my YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe. Alright, as you can see, some of my videos get anywhere from 800 views to 2,000 views to 40,000 views, 25,000 views, 1,500 views, 800 views. It all depends on the video. So a lot of my videos that are niche specific, related to making money, investing in the stock market, they tend to get very little views. But all my other videos that are just like fun videos, they go and get like 20,000 views, 40,000 views. But the niche specific videos are not getting any views at all. 700, 800 views. Alright, so now I will go into my account so you can see exactly how much money I have made. Alright, so we're going to press Pro Account. And then right here, we're going to press TikTok Creator Fund. This is where TikTok pays you for your views. Also, they have the TikTok Creator Marketplace. This is where you can get sponsorships, and this is where the real money is made. But the criteria for this is way too much, and you have to get like 100,000 likes in 1 month. You have to have over 100,000 followers, no community guideline strikes, a ton of other stuff. But on the Creator Fund, check it out. We have made 5 cents today. Yeah. So total in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in the last 8 days, we have made a whopping 57 cents with over 100,000 followers. Just imagine if I had 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I will blow this number out of the water. But TikTok is brand new. This is brand new to TikTok paying its creators. In my opinion, this is just the start and things will start to get better in the future. And now let's look at my analytics. As you can see, in the last 7 days, I have received over 9,500 views. This is way below what I normally get. Normally, I'm anywhere between 15,000 and 20,000 views a week. But the last couple of weeks, I have been uploading videos that are related to finance and making money in the stock market and making money online. So these videos have not been getting a lot of views. Also, some of my followers have been leaving because people want to watch entertaining stuff. They do not want to watch videos on how to make money or how to invest in real estate, especially on this platform. So over the next couple months, my plan is to grow my TikTok account into a place where people will come to learn about investing in real estate, investing in the stock market, and making money online. I want this TikTok to be strictly focused on making money. I know a lot of my followers will leave, a lot of new followers will come, but this is all part of the game. So I'm not worried at all that short term I will experience some losses, but in the long term, everything will pay off. Alright everybody, now that you have seen how many views I'm getting and how much money I am making on TikTok every single day, make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know how much money you are making on TikTok. I know a lot of people on TikTok are making a ton of money and a lot of people are not making anything at all. But in my opinion, TikTok's future and making money on TikTok will only get better. I know on YouTube when you first start out, you have 0 subscribers, you have to get 1,000 subscribers, you have to get a ton of watch hours, and you have to get a ton of views in order to start making money. When I started on YouTube, I went almost an entire year before I started making any money. And on TikTok, I have been only doing TikTok for a couple of months and I am already starting to make money. I know it is not a ton of money, but I think in the long term and in the future, TikTok will be a very big platform that will allow creators to make a ton of money. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, I will have the link in the description box below. Also, you can check it out at Sinan BYW. Just type that in and you can follow me on TikTok. But so far, I have not made a ton of money. I am sticking with TikTok for the long term. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow my journey as I grow my TikTok account and as I start making more money with TikTok. I have made previous videos about TikTok, how to get followers, how to buy TikTok accounts, all that stuff. And I plan on making more content related to TikTok in order to help out my subscribers grow on TikTok and make money on TikTok. I just said TikTok like 25 times. Let me say it again, TikTok. Alright, so that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you drop a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And as always, if you have any questions, any tips, comments, drop it in the comment section below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.